Today's sell-off pushing the S&P 500 to close below its 200-day moving average for the first time since November of 2023. The Nasdaq is now in correction territory, down over 10% from its recent high. So what's next for the market? Are there any opportunities to buy? Let's see what Carter is watching. Carter.
All right, let's get to it. We'll move quickly here. We'll right to the S&P, and we have three identical charts. The first depicts, of course, this well-defined channel that we've been ascending since the bear market low of 2022. Now, to get to the midpoint of the channel, second chart, that would be a drawdown about 12.5%. We're down 9.5% now. That's nothing. To get to the bottom, next chart, that would be around 19, 20%. I think one has to sort of model for that. And that is sort of garden variety, the nonsense of 20% of bear market versus 19 not. Dispense with all that. But let's talk about some stocks that are acting well, as the old-time technical expression goes. Here's Bristol-Myers, obviously very defensive, up on the year, up over the past 18, 20 sessions when the market is down. One way to annotate it, a second way, same chart, same company, but this annotation. You can see what one wants to see, but it's bullish. Let's look at Verizon. This is also very defensive, and we're seeing that, of course, in areas throughout the market, low beta, cash rich, if you will, high yield stocks with no growth. One way. Second way to draw the charts for Verizon. And then let's go to two comparative charts just to make a point. So these are 5-year comparative charts. And what you see here, of course, there's the S&P way up there, up at 175%. And there's actually identical performance. The two of them are both actually down a little bit over the past 5 years. If you take the same comparative chart, last chart, and freeze the S&P and hold it as a constant, that then depicts a relative performance a different way. They're so bombed out on a relative basis to the market, having gone nowhere in 5 years, market's up 175%. This is the kind of thing I think one wants to look for if one's trying to put money to work.